The Big Upgrade is the largest investment in our national water infrastructure for generations. It brings together England's water companies. Working together, our projects span the length and breadth of the nation, upgrading, expanding, and future-proofing the systems that keep water flowing to and from more than 25 million homes and businesses across the country. Water is fundamental to daily life, for homes, communities, businesses, and industries. It enables us to eat, drink, cook, and clean. But as our climate changes, our population grows, and the need to protect our environment becomes more urgent, we must transform the way we manage water. We need more infrastructure to store, treat, pump, transport, and deliver clean, safe water, and to take wastewater away, prevent flooding, and make the most of the water we have. The Big Upgrade means we'll be able to store more water, reduce leaks, and cut storm overflow use. We've already replaced thousands of miles of pipes and are building 10 new reservoirs, as well as investing a combined £6.6 million every day on average to upgrade sewers. We're also looking to nature for ideas, like creating wetlands that divert, store, and filter rainwater. Overall, we're investing £100 billion by 2030 to rebuild and reinforce the networks. That's over £54 million every day. We're also building the water workforce of the future, with a plan to recruit and train 30,000 people across the country to achieve this transformation. We know all this change is a big ask for everyone. Many people will see more work in their communities, but by keeping everyone informed about our progress, we'll show the value of our investment. It's a big challenge, but the opportunity is even bigger. To create water networks fit for the future, for generations to come. The Big Upgrade, a huge national effort to improve our country's water networks. To find out more, visit thebigupgrade.org.uk.